kita dan pengguna jasa disabilitas. Kami informasikan untuk tidak duduk di lantai kereta menggunakan kursi lipat atau alas lainnya karena tempatnya kadang-kadang dapat mengganggu kenyamanan penumpang lain yang sedang berdiri. Atas perhatiannya kami ucapkan terima kasih. Good morning, dear passengers. Please be informed that you are in the Common Line service to Jakarta Kota Station. The train number is 1105. This train has 12 cars, the first and the last car for women passengers only. Dear passengers, please be kindly that you need to save the priority seat for the elderly, pregnant woman, other dependent passenger with disability. And please be informed that you are not allowed to sit on the transport or using a portable set. Please give food to the other passengers. Thank you for your attention.